on to the affordable and very, very effective, and it also smells. Why isn't it? Welcome back to my channel, guys, and in this video I am going to be running to the store to get a couple of products for my hair and my wigs. See you at the store. Let's go. I'm back from the store and I came back with a lot of products, mostly from XHC. This video is not sponsored by XHC. It's just most of the products that I saw in the store are from this particular brand, and they have really good product names. So, and I've been eyeing these products for years now, so I said let me go and get them. Let's get into the video. Now, I got a few products from Ruban stores, a few shampoos, a few conditioners, then a wig serum for my wigs, obviously. I'm going to start first with the shampoos, conditioners, then round it up with the wig serum. So this is the XHC Tea Tree shampoo. I got this because it has tea tree in it and it smells pretty nice, also pretty affordable. Again, the hair care products in Ruban stores are pretty much dominated by this brand XHC, and I think it stands for Exponential or Exponent Marketplace, whatever it's called. It's a UK brand, and they are touted to have good quality products for affordable prices. All the products I got from the brand are within the 3,500 to 3,600 naira range. First, shampoo. This shampoo is from Nature's Gentle Touch, and the reason why I got this is it belongs to my cousin. I'm not using this. It's very stripping, does not moisturize at all, but she loves it, and if she likes it, I love it. That's Nature's Gentle Touch. This also is within the 3,300 3,600 naira range, and it is pretty big. I think it's 500 mils, so that's for her. This shampoo is from a brand called Anovia, and it is their biotin and collagen shampoo. The reason why I got this was because I was looking for the biotin and collagen shampoo from XHC. I couldn't find it. All I could find was the conditioner. So when I saw this particular concept from another brand, I was like, this is for my wig. I don't really care, just as long as it's not an anti-dandruff shampoo. Whatever can serve. This also within the 3,500 naira range, and it is from Anovia. This is the last shampoo that I got, and this is actually the driving force behind me going to Ruban stores here in Enugu to buy these products. This is also from XHC, and it is their ginger anti-dandruff shampoo. It has a very citrusy smell, doesn't smell like ginger at all, and I am very excited. Out of all the products that I bought, this is the one I'm excited to try, and I love this. Love ginger as well, love the color too, love the packaging, and most of all love the smell. Can't wait to try this. This is the XHC Keratin Classic Conditioner. This is actually a conditioner that I got for my wigs. Keratin is very good for hair, and I was like, my wigs are human hair, hence keratin, so 1 + 1 = 2. It better be 2. I haven't tried this yet, but hopefully it should do well for my wigs. It should do good for my wigs. So this is the XHC Argan Oil Conditioner. Towards the end of this particular category, I'm going to tell you something that I noticed with all these conditioning products. Well, this is made with argan oil, packaging very similar to the Keratin Classic, and it's pretty convenient. I love argan oil, and that was the driving force behind picking this up. So hopefully I'll love it. This is the coconut water hydrating conditioner, and this is also from XHC. This, out of all the conditioners I got from XHC, is different, and different in the sense of the ingredients are listed differently. Hopefully this is going to work well, because the running thing with all these conditioners I got from XHC is that they have almost identical ingredient lists, but more on that later. For now, this is the coconut water hydrating conditioner. Basically, the thing about this brand is that the way they name their products actually reeled me in. They have really exotic and exciting sounding names, so that's why I got this. I'm just associating coconut water with hydration, so hopefully it will give me the hydration and moisture conditioning that I'm looking for. This is the last conditioning product that I got from XHC, and it is their aloe vera conditioner. The reason why I got this product was just for the packaging, and this is the first time I'm actually doing something like this, buying a product solely because of the packaging. I don't care if it works, I don't care if it doesn't work. Basically, if it doesn't work, I'm going to use it till I finish it and still keep the packaging, because it is shaped like aloe vera and I'm a huge fan of aloe vera. Now let's talk about the running thing with all these conditioning products. I got 4 conditioners from XHC. Almost all the products, almost all the conditioners have almost identical ingredients. The difference is that for things like the aloe vera, the keratin, and the argan oil, on the same line, time, space, parts, is it parts, number, on the same number on all their ingredient list, you will see something like aloe vera juice, then the place where aloe vera juice is supposed to be on the keratin, right? Keratin. On the keratin classic, you will see hydrolyzed keratin, and on the argan oil conditioner, you would see Agonia spinosa, or that's argan oil basically. So what am I saying in essence? These 3 conditioners are one and the same in a way, just different packaging, different smells, because the colorings are different, the fragrances are also different. So it's different colors, different fragrances, almost identical ingredient list, and different marketing strategies. This one I said was unique in its own way, because after checking its ingredient list, I noticed that it was different from the others. Different emulsifiers, different conditioning agents, but hopefully it will work as well. And all the conditioners are pretty creamy. It's not thin, it's not too thick. All of them have creamy consistencies, and that's the kind of consistency I look for in my conditioners. For leave-in conditioners, I got the Nature's Gentle Touch leave-in conditioner. This is also from my cousin. I am currently trying out the Cantu Shea Butter leave-in conditioning repair cream for natural hair, but this is what we got for her in Roban stores. And if you are looking for affordable leave-in conditioners that actually work, 4C hair, type 4 hair, type 3 hair, whatever natural hair that you have, get this. Affordable and very effective, and it also smells. Why isn't it? It smells nice. It smells nice, relatively nice. This is a pomade hair cream from Nature's Gentle. My cousin is a fan of Nature's Gentle Touch, basically. This is for her as well, and this is their castor oil hair cream. There were 3 options in the store: olive oil, coconut oil, and castor oil. I advise that she gets this because in my experience, castor oil beats all them other oils. So she got it and she likes it. She said it makes her hair shiny. So if you want shiny hair, get this. This is a wig serum that I actually got for my wigs to help with shine, and it says it's the Luodais argan oil repair serum for wigs and natural hair. I am yet to try this on my natural hair, but I have tried it on my wigs and it really does give them shine. It also doubles as a heat protectant, and it comes in this beautiful elegant glass packaging, and this is 80 mils. Comes with a pump, and it also smells perfumy. It says that it's a perfumed serum. It gives the wig very good shine, very good slip. It is a silicone based product, and I'm also happy with this because I tried this as a heat protectant as well for the wigs, and it did well. I can't really tell because it's not my natural hair, so I don't know if it is helping to avert damage or whatever, but based on what I have tried it on so far, it does a pretty good job, so I'm happy about this. I want to add a few more products to the lineup. I found this in our bathroom. This is the Mega Growth collection. Is the stimulating shampoo and the detangling conditioner. This is what my brother actually uses, and his hair is pretty good. So I also got this. I said let me try. The ingredients in this are also fantastic. I tried the deep conditioner in the past that had similar ingredients to this detangling conditioner, but it was pretty trash on my own hair. I don't think it is good for natural hair. So I said, let me just try this out. And both of them combined is 3,400 naira, basically 1,700 for each. These are all the products that I got from Ruban stores. I hope this review was helpful to you. And if you like this video, please hit the like button, share if you care, and I'll see you in my next one. Choose. Love you.